Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video we will learn how to use Learn Japanese offline that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have opened up my Google Play Store. So in here, search in Learn Japanese. So here it is. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the example pictures in here. So thousands of common phrases by topic, each phrase with romaji and voice. Easy find any phrase with search picture. Copy phrase in Japanese by long press. Save your favorite phrases, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. So while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that if you're planning or if you're going to Japan with your friends or family, then I highly suggest that you have this app installed on your phone, since it's really good and it is a very efficient way to learn Japanese. So the features available: greetings, general conversation, numbers, time and date, directions and places, transportation, accommodation, eating out, shopping, colors, cities, towns, countries, tourists, attractions, family, dating, emergency, sickness, tongue twisters, and so on. And what I like about this app is that it doesn't require to access the internet, or there's no need for you to connect to the internet to learn Japanese. So it's almost done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, let's open. So this is the home page, and as you can see, it has a lot of categories starting from greetings, general conversation, numbers, time and date. As what I have mentioned earlier, it has these features or learning features starting from greetings and ending in tongue twisters. So let's jump over to eating out, and let's try the breakfast. So chushoku, so that's how you pronounce it. Lunch is chushoku. Yoru gohan for dinner, snack, oyatsu, and so on. So it's really easy to use this application, and what I like about this app is that it doesn't have any ads floating around. As you may have noticed, it doesn't have advertisements. And if you go in here in the menu, you will see this common phrases. So we're on the common phrases, by the way, and favorites. So I haven't added any favorites yet. So rate this app if you want to rate it. See more there. If you want to see similar apps, similar application like this, then you can open up your Play Store again. Let's just skip that part. Remove ads. This is where you have to upgrade to premium version so that you won't see any ads. Dark mode is 18, so let's try dark mode. So okay, it's already dark mode, and the reason why it's already dark mode, it's because I'm using a dark theme on my phone. So it's already using the dark theme as my default. So you can choose a category in here, like numbers there. If you want to learn numbers, then just select any of the numbers that you're still having problems with, and then you will have this information. So Kyuju, that's 90, and 1 million is Hakman. So that's how you use this application. It's really effective and easy to use, especially if you're going to Japan, if you're planning to visit some relatives or friends in Japan. I highly suggest that you have this application on your phone to learn Japanese ahead of time. So you can go to emergency, I've lost my wallet, and just tap it once and you will have this Japanese writings and romaji characters. Watashi no saifu o nakushimashita. Where is the nearest police station? Ichiban chikai keisatsu wa doko desu ka? Could you please help me? Tasukite kurimasen ka? Tasukite kurimasen ka? Or tetsudatte kurimasen ka? So I have a little knowledge when it comes to Japanese. That's why it's easy for me to read it. But there's no need for you to worry. It's because, as you can see, you can certainly read this because it has a Romaji letters that you can read. Kamera o nakushimashita, and so on. So emergency is good. Family, there, younger brother, ototo, dating. So are you single? Dokshin desu ka? Do you have a boyfriend? Kareshi wa imasu ka? I have a girlfriend. Kanojo ga imasu. I'm married. Kekkon shite imasu. And so on. So would you like to go for a walk with me? Watashi to sanpo ni ikimasen ka? Countries, there, USA, China, America, there. Transportation, there. What is the station? Kono eki wa nan desu ka? And so on. You can also use the search icon here at the top. If you want to search a particular topic, let's just say I love, there. There's no such thing. Okay, I love it here. I love you. I love it here. Let's try this. Watashi wa anata o aishitemasu. I love it here. Koko ga daisuki desu. So see, so you can use this to search a word. So let's say worry. Okay, there's no such thing as worry. I would like, I want. Watashi wa shitai. I don't think it's working out. Mou mori da to omoimasu. There. So it's really easy to use, and you will not get lost when you are using this app. So since it's been categorized according to your needs. So if you're on eating out, then tap the eating out and you will have all the phrases, sentences that you can use. Just look for it, scroll down and look for the right phrases, and you will be able to communicate with the Japanese. So like this one, can I have a menu? Menu for the side. Do you have a menu in English? Eigo no menu wa arimasu ka? And there you have it. So just scroll down, look for the words and phrases, and use it to communicate. So there's nothing much in here actually, since it's all been designed by category to help you get along with the Japanese people and start communicating right away. So that's it for today, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.